Again, I found this little gem sitting out here that makes no sense. That's a goddamn root ball. It's been pulled out. We get up close enough to it, and you can see that a lot of loose dirt and whatever on that yet. Doesn't look like it's been that long. Granted, could be some spider webs there, but they also go in the holes for them. Now, if you notice here, we got this little branch that just kind of seems to go along the tree, and not part of it, but both the top of these two tongues has been broken off. Now when you look down this tree, you can see how the first one goes off to one side, second one goes off on the other side, and that branch down there at the end, it's kind of got the forks, again is another loose branch that just goes down dead ends there. That's actually a different kind of branch there by a long shot than what this is. Now, I can't see nature providing such a thing, but what is even more interesting is that we come around here. We have got a recent break off there. It's been twisted. Recent enough, it's still alive. Now, if we take a look down here, this is the hole that it appears to have come out of. Now, I'm no expert, but for it to come from here and end up way on the other side of that tree doesn't make any sense. And again, you can see that branch holding it. It's on that side of that branch, or part of this whole conglomerate. Follow it down, and it's on this side of it, or the other side of it. And here is that one that kind of seems to have been jammed up in there. Now, as I get to that, again, that too is a loose branch down there. Again, this whole structure makes no sense of how nature could have pulled it out that hole. Now, I did take a tape measure, and as much as I can measure it, it does show just have the same footprint as this. Again, very, very curious to how all that can happen if we write it off as nature. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact, and 2 of those are from other branches that aren't part of the trees themselves.